Hello dear student, myself Shama Nadav. I am newly appointed mathematics lecturer. So today I am going to start the unit 1, that is matrices and determinant. So first to we have to go through the definition of determinant. So definition of a determinant is a mapping from the set of square matrices to the set of real numbers. Set of square matrix to the set of real number and is denoted by delta. Determinant is determinant is determinant is mapping from set of square matrices to set of square matrix to the set of real numbers. Which can be symbolically written as delta. Our determinant delta is defined from the set of square matrices, that is M n cross n tends to real number set R, and here the capital M n cross n can be denotes the set of square matrices. M of n cross n denotes square matrices. Square matrices means it has both row and column as same. Number of columns are equal to the number of rows. Square matrices can be in the matrices, row and both are in same number. It means if we have two rows, then in square matrices 2 column is also there. So number of rows and number of columns both are equal, then we call that matrices is square matrices. The next definition is minor and cofactor of an element. Minor and cofactor of an element. So this question can be asked for 2 marks. Define minor and cofactor of an element. So first we define the minor of an element. Minor of element in the determinant which is obtained by leaving the row and column in which it occurs. If we give the some determinant, then if we leave the row and the column where that element is exists, that value is called as the minor of an element. So the definition will be minor of element in the determinant. Minor of an element in the determinant which is obtained by leaving the row and column, leaving the row and column, leaving the row and column in which it occurs, in which it occurs. It is denoted by M I J. Mij means ith row, jth column, minor of ith row and jth column of an element, A I J. Then next definition is cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element, cofactor of an element in the determinant, in the determinant is its minor, is its minor with the proper sign. Cofactor of an element is defined as it is nothing but the minor with a proper sign. It means if we consider the minor of Aij as Mij, then cofactor can be defined for an element Aij is minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. It means cofactor is nothing but minor but with a proper sign, because here I can be denoted as a row and j can be denoted by column. So minus 1 to the power I plus j means which row and which column we are considering, that element can be added. Ith row and j column can be added. Then minus, if we have I as 1, j as 2, then it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 means we have minus sign. If we have an even number, then minus 1 to the power even number is positive. So that cofactor of an element can be defined as it is nothing but the minor of an element with a proper sign. By using some examples, we know about the minor and cofactor. By solving some examples, we know about the minor of an element and cofactors of an element. So cofactor of an element can be denoted by cofactor of an element can be denoted by cofactor of an element Aij can be denoted by Cij, and this is written in terms of symbolically, that is Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j M I j. This is the definition of cofactor of an element with the element Aij. Then next, solve the example. Find the minor and cofactor of first example. Find the minor and cofactor of 4 in the given determinant is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 3, 2. So solution is, we have to consider determinant is delta is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 3, 2. So that element 4 can be exist in second row, first column. Therefore, minor of 4 which is equal to, already we defined the minor of an element. Minor of an element can be obtained by leaving row and column in which the element occurs, in which element will be occur. It means the element 4 can be occurred in second row, first column. So we have to leave the second row and first column. Then remaining elements are 2, 3, 3, 2. Leaving second row, first column, then we get the elements are 2, 3, 3, 2. So solution will be, cross multiply 4 minus 9, this is equal to minus 5. Minor of 4 is minus 5. Similarly, cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4 is nothing but minor with a proper sign. So this element 4 is exist in second row, first column. Therefore, we write it as minus 1 to the power second row, that is I, first column, that is 1. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 with minor m to 1. It means it is second row, first column, in which second row, first column element 4 is exists. So again we have minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 means it is minus 1 to the power 3. M to 1 value is already we have, that is minus 5. Therefore, minus 1 to the power 3 means it is minus into minus becomes plus 5. Minor of 4 is minus 5 and cofactor of 4 is plus 5. The next example, find the minor of A21 and cofactor of A12. Here they ask the minor of A21. They particularly cannot ask the element. They are given the second row, first column, in which element is exist, that element's minor we will be find. Similarly, cofactor of A12. Here also they are particularly not given the element. So by using row and column, it means the first row, second column, in which element is exist, that we have to find the cofactor of that element. So the given determinant is minus 2, 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 0. Therefore, cofactor of A21 can be denoted by, minor of A21. Minor of A21 is equal to, minor of A21 means it is second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row first column means it is 0. A element 0 is lying on the A21 position, that is second row first column. Therefore we have to find the minor of 0. It means we have to leave the second row first column. Then elements are 1, 3, 2, 0. So again cross multiplying, we get 6 minus 0, which is equal to 6. Minor of A21, it means minor of 0 is 6. And similarly we have to find the cofactor of A12. Cofactor of A12 can be defined as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 m12. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 am12 can be defined as am12 means it is first row second column. First row second column, it means element 1 is lies on first row second column. A element plus 1 is lies on first row and second column. We have to find the cofactor of 1. It means we have to leave the first row second column. So remaining elements are 0, 1, 1, 0. Therefore further simplification, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, it means minus 1 to the power 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 means it is minus, and here we cross multiply 0 minus 1. So minus into minus becomes plus. Cofactor of A12 is plus 1. The next example, find the cofactor of 2 in, find the cofactor of, next example, find the cofactor of 2 in the given determinant 5, 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 5, 6, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 10, 6, 1, 4. Find the cofactor of 2 in the given determinant. It means element 2 lies in third row, third column. So we have to find the cofactor of 2. It means it is my third row, third column. So we write it as cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2 is nothing but C33, third row, third column, which is equal to minus 1 to the power third row, third column. It means 3 plus 3. Determinant, we have to leave the third row and third column. The remaining elements are 5, 4, 1, 1, 0, 6, minus 10, 6, 1. So further simplification, minus 1 to the power 6 means it is minus 1 to the power even number is always positive, and solve the determinant 5 into 0 minus 36 minus 4 into 1 plus 60 minus 4 into 1 plus 60 minus 10, 6, 4, 4 plus 60 and plus 1 into, leave the first row and the third column, then elements are 6 minus 0. Then it is minus 36 into 5, that is minus 180, minus 4 plus 60, 64, 64 minus 4, into minus 4, that is minus 256 plus 6. This will be minus 430. Cofactor of 2. It means minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. Element 2 lies in third row, third column. So remaining elements are 5, 4, 1, 1, 0, 6, minus 10, 6, 4. So simplification of determinant is 5 into the bracket. Leave the first row and first column elements are 0 into 4, that is 0, minus 36, minus 4 into the bracket 4 plus 60 plus 1. Again into the bracket we have 6 into 6 minus 0. Therefore minus 36 into 5 is minus 180. 64 into 4 is minus 256 plus 6. So 250 minus 180 is 430.